If you have ever been involved in an accident caused by the other person's negligence, I'm here to tell you that you can earn personal injury compensation as a result. And in today's video, we'll be talking about how lawyers calculate this compensation for the damages you sustained from the accident. Disclaimer: this video is made for educational purposes only and should not be substituted for legal advice. Please do your research before making any conclusions. That said, sit back as we get started. First of all, it is important that you hire an experienced personal injury lawyer with the required knowledge and skills for your case. It is also crucial that your lawyer has profound experience with this particular legal practice and can quickly get you through the negotiations to be done, the settlements, and even the court trial to get your deserved monetary compensation. Next, it is important you get a full breakdown of all that is considered personal injury claims. And also, understand that these claims are made up of a vast range of items, both economic and non-economic, like the expenses incurred for your treatment and recovery, and others like the follow-up treatment, rehabilitation and therapy, cost of equipment, and work loss. However, these are quite easy to calculate compared to the non-economical damages like pain and suffering. For most claims, though, the following process occurs. Number 1. Establish liability. It is important that you take note of the fact that duty and breach of duty and actions that led to your injury are components of establishing liability, which is the most important part of your claims, meaning the person responsible for your injuries is the one to compensate you. And in case you can't, your attorney should be able to track this when there are different people involved. So if it turns out to be a case of dysfunctional equipment in the car, you have the right to obtain compensatory damages for both the driver and the manufacturing company, as long as you can prove liability. Number 2. Document injuries and damages. Now, this part is quite easy and doesn't require so much, as all you will need are the police reports, photos, doctor records, repair bills, witness statements, and every proof of financial costs. Number 3. List of claims. Your list of claims can include all your medical expenses incurred from the accident, your lost earnings, property damage, your expected future medical expenses, and an estimated future lost income. All of these fall under the economic damages. Once that is calculated, next is the non-economic damage, pain and suffering. Number 4. Calculate damage claims. Now, to estimate the non-economic damages, you will make use of the multiplier for general economic damages. However, if further investigations show you were at fault somehow, the claims may be reduced depending on the percentage of comparative liability. Number 5. Calculating compensation. Great! Now that all the information you need has been gathered, go ahead with the estimation. There is a general formula you can make use of, which runs from 1.5 to 5 times the complete amount of economic damages. And so, the value of this multiplier will be based on your claims of pain and suffering, the evident extent of the injuries you sustained, and the estimates for future medical care and pain and suffering. Done with the estimates? Now you can move on to working with your lawyer to organize the settlement meetings. Suppose settlement discussions don't result in a suitable resolution. In that case, you and your lawyer are free to proceed to a court trial, and everything that has been put together will be helpful for that trial. While it may sound like a lot of work, I doubt you will mind being involved in your own compensation. However, if you ever need an attorney for related cases, feel free to reach out to the powerhouse lawyers at the Dominguez firm. Call 800-818-1818. Well, folks, that is all we have for you today. If you found the information helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, ring the bell notification so you don't miss an upload. Thank you for watching.